to our gate so we can board our 14-hour flight to Auckland, New Zealand.
14 and 45 minutes.
14 and 45 minutes. It is going to be a long one, so stay tuned. On a ferry to Waiheke Island. It's about a 40-minute ride out of Auckland, and it's gonna be so amazing. The weather's been in and out, sunny and a little drizzly, so hopefully when we get there it'll be beautiful. Ozzy's texting. So yeah, hopefully this ferry ride is nice and we have a great time on the island. I realize how not fit I am.
We're in the
by going up just a couple up hills, and I'm like, I'm done.
We're on the wrong side.
We're on the wrong side?
We're in Cable Bay, and we wanted to come to these right here.
And we went to the wrong side. Stay tuned for updates. So there's this absolutely gorgeous beach. There are a few entrances to it, and the one we found is just like the most beautiful little hidden stairwell coming up from the road where we locked up our bikes, and oh my god, it's literally so pretty. I need to live by a beach already. So we stopped at a vineyard called Goldie Estate. It's actually the oldest one on the island, It is absolutely gorgeous. Right now it is the spring, so all of the vines are just blooming. But my God, the wine is incredible. So this is the gorgeous view that we are enjoying. Our nice glasses of wine. We are back on the ferry. We are headed back to Auckland. It was an incredible time on the island. And so yeah, now we're just headed back and might go check into our hotel or something. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So it is the next morning. We are in our Auckland airport hotel. So we're just getting ready. It is 7:30 in the morning and we are going to head down to Matamata to go to the Hobbiton movie set. So I'm so excited for that. So we are going to check out the Shyness Rest and the movie set, and then we'll see where life carries us after that. We've made it to Hobbiton. It was a very beautiful drive. And now we are just like surrounded by sheep and the most beautiful rolling hills. Yeah, you can't sleep on the drive. Like, it's just too beautiful. Ozzy is ready to throw away thousands of dollars for all the souvenirs. Oh my God, that was so good. So we are at the Hobbiton set. The tour is incredible. It's so sweet and slow and wonderful, and everything is just gorgeous. Like,
detailed.
It's huge. It's like there's so many hobbit holes. There's like 44, and I don't know how many acres this is, but it's just massive. So now we are approaching Bag End, the famous Baggins home. Oh my God, it's just gorgeous in person. Oh my God, look how cute that is. I'm gonna buy that sign. Like, I need it for my house. And there it is, the green door.
Alright.
No, it's a video.
Oh, I don't know.
Go for not. gorgeous. It's about to rain again. Thank God it cleared up the moment we started the tour and right as we're about to leave. It's starting to rain again. Gandalf's doing it for us. Thanks, Gandalf. Shout out to you, man. Alright, so we left the Hobbiton set, which was like the greatest moment of my life. I peaked. That's it. So we are on the way to Rotorua. It's only like an hour drive from where we were. We might check into our hotel or just explore the city, have lunch, and then check out their geysers. And then we're gonna check out the Redwood forest, maybe for like the nighttime walk. Hopefully it stays clear. It cleared up again, so we made it to our hotel, the Prince Gates Hotel. It is super cute, really adorable. Look at this. It's got a little chandelier. And it just looks very European and adorable. It's very, very tight and cozy, but you know, that's all we need. It's just a bed to sleep on. So now we are just looking for things to do, like specific tours. And now we're gonna watch Alan to get our inspiration. Yes, please. He really likes maps.
I love maps. Let's go.
All right, we made it. So we got here at like 4:05 and it closes at 5. So the lady at the front's like, well, you're not gonna have a lot of time. We're like, we're gonna run. So get ready for a lot of speed walking so we can get through the whole thing and see everything within like 50 minutes. We're just gonna try to find the kiwi birds, the geysers. Oh my God, there's already some right there. Wow. Look at that. And the egg smell, the nice sulfury egg smells, definitely getting stronger. All right, off to the kiwi birds. So we are at the Redwoods Treewalk, a 40-minute walk among the trees. We got here where we have like 10 minutes of like pretty good daylight left before they turn the lights on. It turns into a night walk. So this is gonna be just so beautiful. How are you feeling?
Excited. Do you need anything?
No. All right, so we made it back to our hotel. And we stopped at a grocery store to pick up some stuff for tomorrow for our very long hike. We'll just enjoy the night and go to sleep very early. Look at our cute little hallway.
It's a long hallway.
So last night we ended up literally getting to the room and then immediately passing out on the bed. We were so tired we didn't even eat dinner. So it is about 7 a.m. and we are gonna head over to the Tongariro National Park to climb the mountain. So I'm waiting for Ozzy to check out. Overall, it was a good stay. You could hear through the walls a little bit, but you know, we were so tired we didn't, you know, notice anyways. Forgot to even plug in the GoPro, so is everything good?
Yep.
Great. We are gonna head out.